Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahmouda Tamanna Dolan. I am here to talk about our presentation. The topic name of our presentation is Biped Acoustics Avoiding Robot, and my other group member are Faria Siddiqui and Shanjida Alam. Now I want to start our presentation. You can see this is the first page of our presentation, and this is also content page of our presentation. Then next slide. What is robotics? The word robotics, this is used to define a field in engineering that covers the mimicry of various human characteristics. It must be able to perform the tasks that we can set up for it. It may be handled by human or automatically. Then the next slide. Why robotics? Increase work speed. And second one is for industrial work. Which industrial work is very heavy or risky for a human? Those were done by a robot, and there are many kinds of industrial robot. Example of industrial robots are like Motorman, ABB, KUKA, Dansko, etc. Human assistance. Robot help humans by many ways. It can work such as for lightning, toxic chemicals, robot assistance surgery, and so many ways. Performing dangerous work, which work is very risky and critical for a human, those work are done by a robot. Thanks. Next slide. What is biped obstacle avoiding? First one, what is biped? Biped means a robot that has two legs, and obstacle avoiding robot is an intelligent robot which can automatically sense and overcome the obstacles on spot, and is controlled by a microcontroller to process the data and ultrasonic sensor that detect the obstacle's path. The next slide. Our robot. We use OLED display, so our robot will move its mouth, and then we also use a buzzer that it can sound. We also set a command for this reason that it can do happy sound, sad sound, smile, etc. And it's can entertain us in very ways. It can dancing, playing, so many things. And now I want to call my fellow member Faria Siddiqui to continue the presentation. Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much, Mahmouda. Hello everyone, I'm Faria Siddiqa, and now I am going to continue the presentation. Let me start the presentation with the slide why our robot is best. Our robot is best because he is fast. With his new leg design, he is one of the fastest robot in his size and price. He is easy to assemble. With only one screwdriver. We can have our robot up and running. He is stable. He is statically stable, and he is 100% 3D printable. He has some ultrasonic sensor. With this he can sense the obstacle and avoid it. He has three axis magnetometer, which is also known as digital compass. With this he knows which way is up to and what direction he is pointing. He has OLED display. With this he can move his mouth. He also has buzzers. He can make sound. If we detect any obstacle in his way, he can make sound from the buzzer and avoid it. Let's move to the next slide, which is component. To build a robot we need some components, and you can see that we need 6 genuine Tower Pro servo with analog 180 degree. If you want to use some cheap servo you can use, but it will be broken. It will be broken in a day after you using it. So Tower Pro Servo is the best for for this robot. We also need a Sunford wireless servo controller board. You can see from this picture there is a 5 volt and 3 ampere controller. It has 12 pins and in Arduino Nano and so many things that you can add to it. So there will be no messy cables over the place if we use this controller board. And next we need a transceiver module. If we do not use controller, we don't need this part, and we need a magnometer, which is digital compass, as I say, the pass lights, OLED light. We need batteries. We need batteries, holder and charger. We also need some jump cables, mini board, and so many screws to build a robot. We also need some controller if we want to move our robot manually, so we need a controller. Plastics, I should mention that 500 scoop can be built in, is more than enough to build to print a robot. And then 3D printer, you can see some 3D prints here, which how it looks like. Okay, next move to the next slide. Power supply system. Power supply system, we need a very strong powerful batteries. The battery weight and energy capacity is very much noticeable for this noticeable factor for this performance for build of the robot. So we can say how the robot how the power or how the robot can move with this power sources. So we need some very powerful batteries. And that's all of my parts. Thank you so much. Next slide will continue our another group member, Sanjita Antora. Thank you.
After knowing all of the points, we can see the slide, the mechanical design of one kind of obstacle avoiding robot. Now there are 4 points. Number 1, design of the body. Number 2, alignment of the circular wheels. Number 3, fixing motor. And the number 4, screwing PCB. Now we can see the 2 basic applications in this slide. Number 1, the main scope of the project is to automatically changing the direction of the robot. And number 2, now here an ultrasonic sensor is used which detects the presence of any obstacle. There are some few advantages of this robot. Number 1, it is a low cost circuit. Number 2, easy to maintain and repair. Number 3, the programming of the microcontroller is easy. Number 4, low power consumption. Now on the other hand, it also have disadvantages. Now we can see it is time consuming project. It can use short distance only. Number 3, it costs money to make or buy a robot. Okay, now that's all we have done. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks from us.